Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked bad 1970 Chevrolet C10 short box pickup. 1,400 miles on a complete frame-off custom build, guys. This truck is awesome. This is actually the third time I've owned this truck, and it's going to be the first time I've actually got the chance to do a video on it. Killer truck, man. Wicked cool color. You can see it's finished in dove gray. It's got red leather interior, and it is beautiful. 1,400 miles on the truck since it was built. Literally turn the key, take it right to a car show, put mirrors underneath it. 5.7 drop on the truck. It's got the C-notch frame. Wicked cool set of US mag wheels, 20s on the front, 22s in the rear, all new glass, gorgeous paint, updated lighting, 383 cubic inch, 500 horsepower, small block underneath the hood with air, disc brakes, power steering. Just a fun truck to cruise. You can pick, this looks original to me. I'd say that's the original grill. You can pick at that a little bit, but man, this truck is awesome. Sits good, drives out excellent, killer color combo. I think that's what drives everybody crazy about this truck. Again, you can see all new glass. There's, I've got two, make sure you bring those. Did I bring those out? I don't think I did. When you go back in, bring those, all the receipts on the truck. I got 2 packets of receipts on the build of the truck. Just wicked cool, man. They relocated the fuel tank in the center here. The keys in the glove box for the fuel cap. Boy, is this thing pretty. Love the color combo. Nice and straight down the sides, sits good. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Truck's got great sound. Wicked cool set of wheels. Yeah, this is a 383 cubic inch, 500 horsepower, aluminum headed engine, Holley 750 dual feed 4-barrel, aluminum intake, Hedman headers, MSD ready to run ignition. It's got a big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. It's got all the serpentine pulley kit on it, power steering, power front disc brakes, Hedman headers. It's got a 10.5 to 1 pistons. Can't remember the cam that's in. I'll get the cam that's in there. And like I say, it's all brand new, frame off restored. $700 full automatic overdrive trans. Literally turn the key, take it to the car show, and you can put mirrors under it. Slick paint. All new glass. Beautiful truck, man. Love this interior. That's a Snowden seat. That's $1,500 right there. And they're comfortable. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got the headliner in it. Again, wicked cool seat. Tilt column with a billet steering wheel. 1,403 miles. It's a tach dash. Radio delete. It's got some aftermarket gauges under there. Oh, you know what? I think I completely forgot to tell you. It's got air. It's got air. It's got old Air Products AC on it. Pro Max dual exhaust. It sounds awesome. 12 bolt 373 rear end. Just a wicked cool truck. Nitpick that a little bit. If I can do this one again. Yeah, we have to do it, Nathan. I'm close, but I want to slam down. I love the way they did the Chevrolet in a little darker gray. Beautiful underneath, aftermarket fuel tank. How nice that seat is. Again, 2 packets of receipts. Seat belts are in there. Padded dash. Really nicely done truck, man. All your gauges works, holds good old pressure. LED tail lights. The truck is bad, man. Gauges here work. Like I say, your blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. That's just gorgeous stuff. Updated headlights. LED turn signals. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get